Indian Auto News. Honda unveiled the City Sports at price just rupees 14.89 lakh rupees. It's just a cosmetic change in which Honda dechrome all the parts from the external body and add some sporty red elements and black color alloys. Inside the interior also gets some red elements to give sporty vibes. It's just a cosmetic change, not a engine wise any change has done in city. Honda hard broke cars enthusiasts like us. It gets the naturally aspirated 1.5-liter engine, not nothing in it turbo and not just a cosmetic change. Rouse getting a facelift after 5 years of launch. Grille headlight alloys are like the Thar Rocks have. Premium interior like the Thar Rocks and a bigger touchscreen will be the most probably in the facelift model. Engine wise there were no change. The engine will be the same and power output also be the same. Only it will be a cosmetic change and the upgrade for the Thar 3-door. Until the time of the record, 2 lakh Thars are sold on Indian roads. Skoda confirms the launch of Octavia VRS in India. Only 150 units will be sold in India. It gets 265 horsepower and 370 Nm of torque. Price will be expected 60 lakh rupees ex-showroom in India. Toyota launched the hybrid variant of LC300. Now produces additional 100 horsepower with 3.5-liter twin-turbo hybrid petrol engine. Produces up to 457 horsepower and 750 Nm of torque. Toyota launched this variant to cater large markets like USA, Canada, and Europe. Tata Harrier EV scored 5-star rating in Bharat NCAP. It scored 30 out of 30 in adult occupant safety and as well as 45 out of 49 points in child occupant safety, making it one of the safest car in India. Also, Tata Motors has released the pricing of Tata Harrier EV. Base model Adventure 65 cost around 21.49 lakh rupees ex-showroom in India, and top model Empowered 75 quad-wheel drive cost around 28.99 lakh rupees ex-showroom in India. Detailed prices on our website. Rolls-Royce unveils Black Badge Edition at Rs 9.5 crore. Spectre had dual motor setup with 659 horsepower and 1075 Nm of torque. Literally, this car touched 0 to 100 speed in 4.1 seconds. Now let's focus on international news. First news is from Mercedes-AMG. Mercedes-AMG unveils their first ever electric 4-door concept. It equipped with 3 axial flux motors which combined output is 1360 horsepower. Production expected in late 2026. Koenigsegg Sedan Spear. This is the most aggressive Koenigsegg until today. Featured with 5.0-liter V8 engine, produces 1625 horsepower with top speed of 360 km/h as it a road legal vehicle. Koenigsegg made only 30 units and all are already sold. Price is around $5 million, which is around 40 to 42 crore INR. Volvo discontinued their S90 sedan because no one is even considering it. Why someone would consider it when it have rivals like Mercedes E-Class and BMW 5 Series? Scorpio N Automatic is available in Z4 variant, which costs around 17.4 lakh rupees. Also, Scorpio N is available in all black color featuring ADAS level 2, and a new model T also has launched facelift of Kushaq very soon. ADAS level 2 should be expected. Is offering mega discounts on Compass and Meridian of 2.95 lakh rupees and 4 lakh rupees respectively. Ending up with the good news of that Tesla's first outlet is opening in July at Mumbai. Subscribe for more updates like this.